Now we discuss on use of image or reflection. So this concept is very important for JEE. Here is the one problem. So ABC is a one triangle. A1 comma 2 is one vertex. X plus y minus 1 0 is a perpendicular bisector of the side AB, and x minus y plus 2 0 the perpendicular bisector of the side AC. So now I ask several questions related to it. First of all, I require to find the area of a triangle ABC. Next one, the perpendicular distance 1 comma 2 to the straight line BC, or perpendicular distance from B to AC, or equation of BC. So several problems like this. See that here x plus y minus 1 0 is perpendicular bisector of the side AB. Hence, so M is the midpoint of AB and AB is perpendicular to the line x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, so B is the image of A with respect to the straight line x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let A point is 1 comma 2 is x1 y1 and B is h comma k. Comparing the line x plus y minus 1 0 with ax plus by plus c 0, A is equal to 1, b1 c minus 1. Now using the image formula, h minus x1 by A is equal to k minus y1 by b, that is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So h minus x1 1 by a 1, k minus y1 2 by b 1, minus 2 into ax1, so 1 into 1 1, by1 1 into 2 2 plus c minus 1 by a square plus b square, 1 square 1, b square 1 square 1. So here 2 gets cancelled. H minus 1 by 1 is equal to k minus 2 by 1 is equal to 1 also gets cancelled. We get that's equal to minus 2. So h minus 1 is equal to minus 2. H is equal to 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. K minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 gets cancelled. K is equal to 0. Therefore, the point B h comma k is equal to h is minus 1 and k is 0. Again we see that here x minus y plus 2 0 is a perpendicular bisector of the side AC. So C is image of A with respect to the straight line x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Let's say point B alpha beta. 2 point is x1 y1. Now comparing the line x minus y plus 2 0 with ax plus by plus c 0, we get A is 1 and B is minus 1 and C is equal to 2. Again using the image formula, alpha minus x1 by A, that's equal to beta minus y1 by B, minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Alpha minus x1 is 1 by a 1, beta minus y1, that is 2 by b minus 1, minus 2 into ax1, so 1 into 1 1, by1, so minus 1 into 2 minus 2, plus c 2 by a square plus b square, 1 square 1, so b square 1 square also 1. So alpha minus 1 by 1, beta minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to, here 2 gets cancelled, here also 2 gets cancelled. So that's equal to minus 1. So alpha minus 1 is equal to minus 1, beta minus 2 is equal to minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. So minus 1 gets cancelled. Hence alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3. Therefore C point is alpha beta, that is alpha is 0 and beta is equal to 3. Hence B point is minus 1 0 and C point is 0 comma 3. So we find the values of A 1 comma 2 and B point is minus 1, 0 and C point is 0, comma 3. So all these three vertices are known. Hence we can easily find the area of a triangle ABC or equation of a side BC. Since finding the equation of the side BC and applying the formula, the perpendicular distance to a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 from the point x1 y1. So modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So we can solve several problems related to this.